I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start on Scholar. Google.com, sign in if you prefer saved libraries, but you can copy links without signing in. Type the exact title, author, or DOI into the search box to narrow results quickly and press enter. Scan the list for the correct journal, date, or citation count to avoid wrong versions. Once you spot the right entry, don't click the PDF yet. Focus on the result row where the citation tools and share options live. This saves time and preserves the canonical link. Now click the quote icon labeled Cite on the result row. This opens a small dialog with formats and a direct link. Copy the URL displayed there for a stable reference. It usually points to the Google Scholar record or publisher page. If you need the publisher's canonical link, click the result title, wait for the page to load, then copy the address from the browser bar. Make sure the address isn't a temporary PDF mirror. Prefer publisher pages or the Scholar record for consistency. Finally, paste the link where you need it: email, chat, or your reference manager. If you require a shorter URL, create one, but keep the original for academic use because it's more reliable. Once done, test the link in a new private window to confirm it opens the intended record or publisher page. If it resolves to a mirror or fails, make sure the DOI is present. When problems persist, return to the Scholar site dialog and copy the record link instead. That usually fixes bad or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.